Court is calling 2016 CR 4751B, State versus Travis Shane Smith. Can I have parties announce?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Bob Hicks for Travis Smith, Your Honor.
And are you Travis Smith?
I am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
It's this document.
Yes, ma'am.
You reviewed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Travis Shane Smith who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2016 CR 4751B for the offense of burglary of a habitation or force on February 13, 2017 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. The state is intending on proceeding violation condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Travis Shane Smith, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer in person for the months of September and October 2019 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Sure.
Confirm with the state.
Your Honor, there is a correction to be made. The state is not proceeding on that violation.
Okay.
The state apologizes. State is proceeding on violation of condition number 17. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Travis Shane Smith, did then and there fail to attend and provide verification of Alcoholics Anonymous / Narcotics Anonymous meetings for the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October 2019 in violation of condition number 17.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
None, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 17, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
I do understand that, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 17?
I do so, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 17 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Judge.
Yes.
The judge is Your Honor, the state is recommending revocation and sentencing. The state understands you've got the full range. We are recommending 5 years, Your Honor.
We understand that it's been revoked. We would like to request 2 years instead of 5. He has, except for the things that he has done spectacularly badly, he was sent to aftercare, sent to SATIC and completed that successfully because of a series of drug tests and bad drug tests in 17. He completed the aftercare program, completed outpatient substance abuse. And since the time that this happened, why did you not attend?
You want to raise your right hand for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Travis Shane.
All right, you may proceed.
Is there any reason why you did not attend the Alcoholics Anonymous or Narcotics Anonymous process?
It was solely for the reason that
Just 1 second. Excuse me, if you all could whisper. All right, you can continue.
it was solely for the reason that I did not have any way to complete the money payments into the program. And I did not have, I had felt a sense of fear that if I went in, I would be arrested for not completing motion 17, the non-completion of the alcoholics, not just less.
Right. But John Jay.
Any other questions?
I felt the shame and fear, Your Honor, of that. And after a while, it became complacency, and I have no one to blame but myself on that. I understand that.
Any other questions?
None, Your Honor.
All right, so here's my question for you. What do you think was going to happen when you didn't report?
I didn't think anything of it at the time, but I knew eventually something like this would come.
No. So you knew that if you did not report, a motion to revoke was going to be filed. Eventually, you were going to be picked up and arrested.
Eventually, I did know that, Your Honor.
So did you ever call probation?
I did not, Your Honor.
All right. So what have you been doing since you have not been reporting?
I've been for just living my life. I've picked up work. I'm steadily gainfully employed.
Doing what?
I'm a welder and fabricator and installer
All right. And how long have you been doing that?
for 3.5 years now.
All right. So why didn't you pay any money? If you've been welding, welding pays good money. Welding pays more than what I make.
That's a fair question, Your Honor. And as I said, it was the simple complacency of not having done it. And I regret now, looking back on it, not having done it.
All right.
I understand it was only my fault.
All right. Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I need your client to fill out the trial court certification form. He needs to sign that. Thank you.
Of course.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. You'll receive credit for successful completion of inpatient treatment. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion,
Yes.
not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I do understand that.
Good luck to you. Do better, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right. Good luck to you.
Travis Shane Smith stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd, his deferred adjudication for burglary of a habitation, a charge carrying up to 20 years, hanging in the balance. The violation is specific: 6 consecutive months of missed Alcoholics Narcotics Anonymous meetings in 2019. He pleads true. His attorney argues for mercy, requesting a 2-year sentence instead of the state's recommended 5, citing Smith's prior successful treatment and his steady employment as a welder and fabricator for 3.5 years. Judge Boyd, however, wants to hear from Smith directly. Under oath, he offers a cocktail of excuses: inability to pay for the program, fear of being arrested if he showed up non-compliant, and ultimately, complacency. Judge Stephanie Boyd destroys this narrative with surgical precision. She asks the pivotal question: what do you think was going to happen when you didn't report? His answer: I knew eventually something like this would come. Proves his actions were a conscious choice, not an accident. She then demolishes his financial excuse, highlighting the obvious: welding pays good money. His admission that he simply didn't prioritize his court-ordered obligations reveals a profound failure of responsibility. With the facts laid bare, Judge Boyd renders her verdict. She revokes his probation, finds him guilty of the original felony, and imposes the full 5-year prison sentence. Her final, terse command, do better, serves as a stark epitaph for a second chance, wasted not by malice, but by sheer avoidable neglect. In this hearing, Judge Boyd's authority underscores a fundamental judicial principle. The court offers a path to redemption, but it cannot walk it for you.